welcome to FIRMA. Today we've got this 1973 E3 3.0 SI BMW sedan. Presents very nicely in Siena brown metallic or BMW Bronze. As you can see, the car presents nicely overall. For a car that's over 50 years old. Let's have a look inside. Interior presents very nicely. Good dash, no cracks anywhere, no tears in the seats. Headlining is nice and clean. Comes with the owner's manual. Doors close nicely. BBS wheels. Good chrome overall. Very hard to find a manual 3.0 SI in this color configuration. Now available at FIRMA Trading Classic Cars and Bikes. Let's have a look inside. Currently showing 44932 kilometers on the clock. This is a manual with LSD limited slip diff. Let's start her up. Sports exhaust. Now available at FIRMA Trading Classic Cars and Bikes. Have a look at our website firmaauto.com or call us at 0405 261 275 for the best European and classic cars anywhere in Australia. Thank you very much.